So hello and welcome back to Gumari Coins and Banknotes, and in today's video we have some South American coins. So the top two Argentinian, bottom three are from Brazil. And these are two different currencies. So this one's denominated in pesos, equals 110 centavos. And we have the 1 and 2 centavos. These two designs were designed by Jean-Andre Houdin, who was a French designer, produced a lot of coins, especially for France. And this is the 1882 to 1896 series. So on one side we have the Argentine coat of arms, Republic Argentina, and on the other side we have Liberty in a Phrygian cap, or more likely Iranian cap, although it's named after the Phrygian people used to inhabit what is currently Turkey or Asia Minor. But this hat originated pretty much in the Iranian sphere. And this is probably a coin that's in fine grade. It's 5 grams, so it's equivalent to the 5 centimos of France, because they were sort of like quasi part of the Latin Monetary Union, which is based on the French franc. And this one is dated 1886, had a mintage of 444,000. But the key date seems to be 1882, first year of issue, which is quite low minted. So the 1886 is pretty hard to get, especially in high grade. The more common coin you're going to get is the 2 centavos. So, Phrygian cap. And this one is good. It's an error coin. It has a die crack on DOS, which is 2. But I don't see any other errors going around. Might be start of a die crack up here on Libertad. And this is just a scratch mark. So this one is in very fine condition, but the error of the die crack would increase the value. These sell for about $5 to $10 pretty much without the error. And on this side, looks like, yeah, that's just a scratch mark going across there. So pity it's not a die crack. That looks like a start of a die crack on the star. And here we have the coat of arms, and this one's in better condition. And 1891 had a mintage of 8 million. So this coin is 10 grams, which is equivalent to the 10 centimos of France. So those are two nice coins. Okay, the 3 Brazilian coins. The first one we have is base metal, and this is a 40 raise coin, and it's overstruck on an 80 raise. So you can see the 8 in the field. So you've got 8 here, 0. So obviously the overstruck didn't obliterate it totally. And this one is dated 1828. So the mintage figures for the 1828 is 26 million. So it's should be a common coin, but you'll be paying at least $50 even for the original coin. The overstruck, I would say about $70 for this coin. And then we have so Petrius the first, you got the Constantine Imperial it. So I don't know the total what this means. I could look it up. That's going to take some time. And we have the denomination. And on the obverse side, so this is the front of the coin, we have the coat of arms of Brazil. And as you can see, this one has, that's probably a grease strike slightly, which is pretty common for these ones because of the technology at the time. And this one is milled. So let's have a look. Can we actually show the milling? There you go. So that's a security feature at the time. And the weight of this coin is 28.969 grams, and it's 39.6 millimeters. So it's actually quite a heavy coin, especially when you compare it to the largest coin in circulation now, which is the Australian 50-cent coin. I don't include the United States 50-cent coin because that barely circulates. So this one is about, I can't remember the actual weight yet of this one, but it's about 31 millimeters. So, Eddie Marbo. Okay, so that's a nice coin, and these are the coins I like to collect. Now, another large coin I like to collect is probably a Ptolemy's from Egypt, which they have larger coins in base metal. Okay, so the next two coins are the lowest denomination in silver for their date. So we had the 2000 raise. 1924 is the smallest denomination in silver. The 1000 was changed to aluminium bronze. This one is first year of issue, 1824 to 1924 to 1934. That's a mintage lifespan of this coin. This had a mintage of 9,147,000. It is 8 grams of 50% silver. So the silver value is about $5 to $6. And here we have Liberty or Brazilias, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. It's a allegorical feature, so it doesn't represent any person. There's a Republica of the United States of Brazil, 2000 raised. And here we have, what do they call it? Anyway, that's a Roman symbol. I need to look that up. Okay, then we have a coin that I actually quite like. It's a 5000 raised. So this was only a 3-year issue coin. 1936 had a mintage of 1,986,000. So this is the more common. It was designed by Walter. So this is reverse Walter R. Toledo. And on this side, Camambereto. So this is one of the harder coins to get from Brazil. It's 10 grams, 60% silver. So it has a silver value of about $8.60. It's 27 millimeters in diameter. Quite a nice coin. So this is the lowest silver coin in 1936. And 1936-38 is the last year they actually issued this 5000 raise. They didn't issue any more after this, even when they issued the coins in the other denominations. But it is quite a nice coin, and that one's pretty much gonna actually go into the actual collection. Actually, all these are, except for the 2 centavos. I have quite a few of them. But I hope this helps you with your coins. Brazilian coins are actually quite nice, especially the last series of the raised coins. Very interesting. Argentine, they're okay, but they didn't try and design them as good as some Brazilian coins. Obviously, the 20 and the 30s coins, the early 30s, are actually quite boring. So thank you very much. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.